Often described as meditation in motion, the ancient martial art of Tai Chi dates as far back as 1,500 years ago. A practice of slow, gentle movements, controlled breathing, and physical postures originally developed as a form of self-defense in ancient China, but it's since evolved into a graceful form of exercise, now used for stress reduction as well as the strengthening of both the body and the mind.
Tai Chi focuses on the internal power, internal energy. You know, most martial arts, they focus on external energy. So with Tai Chi combined with other martial arts, you know, you're able to synchronize the two. I would like to think of it as a choreographed martial art dance.
Chow is a certified Tai Chi master who traveled to China to gain a better understanding of Tai Chi. He says he used to practice Taekwondo and Jiu-Jitsu, but transitioned to Tai Chi at the age of 50.
Right heel kick. Double fists to the ears. Martial arts it's a young man's art, young man's sport, you know, I mean, however way you want to refer to it. And Tai Chi is more focused on health and wellness. I mean, it's suitable for all ages. I mean, it's just a matter of how you practice your Tai Chi. Deflect, parry, and punch. We do this 3 times. Strumming the lute.
Tai Chi differs from other types of exercises in several respects. The movements are usually circular and never forced. The muscles are relaxed rather than tensed, and the joints not fully extended or bent, all serving to provide the practitioner with a greater sense of calm, strength, and balance, and easy adaptable for anybody, from the most fit to even people confined in wheelchairs.
Jade Lady plays the shuttle.
Oh, balance, that's my problem. That's my big problem. I have my balance really, really bad. But since I came over to practice Tai Chi, my balance improved quite a lot. It's exercise for me. After practice Tai Chi, my body feels good and relaxed. And at night, I can sleep very, very well.
And your mind?
Oh, my mind is clear and make me more relaxed and feel peaceful.
Say, Mom. Well, 右手搭左手。
Learn the Chinese traditional culture and also the thinking process. And most likely, I improve my health. So that is really, really helpful. It started a good day for me, for most people, because we always practice on the morning time. So it opens up the day. So we are more energetical and more positive for the day. We are all, most likely we are all retirees. So it gives our life enrichment.
The Hawaii Tai Chi Health and Sports Association was founded more than 20 years ago by the now matriarch of the club, who loves to both practice and share the ancient art form.
光分睡觉，不能走路，啊，就学跆拳道。
I learned Tai Chi myself when I was very, very sick in my 40s. Couldn't eat, couldn't sleep, couldn't do anything. I started to learn Tai Chi and I benefit from that. I want to share this experience with everybody.
Going into a riding horse stance. Begin.
Founder Kong says she's taught more than 1,000 people over the past 20 years, and she's taken no money. All she wants in return is to see the art form that she says changed her life to continue.
Here in Hawaii, this place appeals to a seniors market, whether it be its residents or its tourists alike. Hawaii actually has the longest life expectancy in the U.S. With the air that we breathe and the water that we consume, the sun and the sand, this place is paradise for retirees, and now we can add Tai Chi to the list.